Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can cash out money from MEXC. So the first thing that you will have to do once you're on the MEXC official website is you will click login and of course log in with your correct credentials. And then once you've logged in, you should see the wallet option right here. So it really depends on the layout of your screen. So you do have to make sure to explore the whole screen so that you will be able to see your wallet. And after you see your wallet, what you will have to do is basically you will just have to click withdraw. And after you click withdraw, you will have to choose the currency, which is either crypto or fiat. And for crypto withdrawals, you will have to paste the recipient wallet address and then you will enter the amount and double check. For fiat withdrawals, you will select bank transfer, enter bank details, amount, and confirm. And then you will complete any required 2FA authentication. Then after that, you will just have to click confirm and wait for the blockchain or banking processing. And then you will check the external wallet or bank account to ensure that the funds have arrived. And yeah, always confirm addresses and account numbers carefully because crypto withdrawals are irreversible. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.